Stop by and take a look at the 2019 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.